Embarking on the path of understanding mental health can often be intricate and daunting. An intricate terrain brimming with fine details and understated factors that can be challenging too. However, it's essential we traverse this territory, converse about it candidly and empathetically. This video serves as your compass, steering you through the signs and symptoms of mental health disorders, providing lucid knowledge. It's about illuminating the frequently misunderstood universe of mental health. Let us not forget, comprehension is the initial stride towards wellness. Mental health issues often manifest in a variety of signs and symptoms. It's like a smoke signal, an early warning that something might be off balance. One of the most common signs is a noticeable change in mood. This could be persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or a general sense of emptiness. It might also look like heightened irritability or an inability to control emotions. Another key indicator is a shift in behavior. Perhaps someone you know has started withdrawing from social activities they once enjoyed, or maybe they're struggling with maintaining relationships. They might also be experiencing difficulties at work or school, or showing a lack of interest in things they used to love. Changes in physical well-being can also be a sign of mental health issues. This could manifest as drastic changes in appetite or weight, disrupted sleep patterns, or a sudden decrease in energy levels. It's important to remember that these signs are not exclusive to any particular group of people. Mental health issues do not discriminate. They can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or background. We all have mental health, just like we all have physical health. And just as we might catch a cold or sprain an ankle, our mental health can also be affected. The key here is to be aware of these signs, not just in ourselves, but in those around us. It's about creating a culture of understanding and empathy, where we recognize that it's okay not to be okay. It's about knowing that it's okay to reach out for help, and it's okay to ask others if they're okay too. Remember, these signs are not a definitive diagnosis, but they are a call to pay closer attention to our mental health. It's not about self-diagnosing or trying to treat these issues on our own. It's about acknowledging that something might be off and seeking professional help when necessary. After all, there's no shame in taking care of our mental health, just as there's no shame in taking care of our physical health. Symptoms of mental health issues go beyond what we can see. In our journey to understand mental health, it's crucial to recognize that the signs may not always be visible. Like an iceberg, the most significant part lies beneath the surface, hidden from our sight. This is often the case with mental health symptoms. Some of these less visible symptoms may include feelings of hopelessness or despair. It's not just about feeling sad or down, it's a profound sense of emptiness that seems to engulf all joy and motivation. It's looking into the future and seeing only darkness, not because of any real threat, but because of a mental health issue clouding our perception. Another less visible symptom is unexplained physical pain. It's when your body aches, your head throbs, or your stomach churns, and there's no apparent physical cause. These pains are not figments of imagination, they're real and can be incredibly debilitating. Difficulty concentrating is another symptom that often goes unnoticed. It's not just about forgetting where you left your keys or what you were about to say. It's about finding it hard to focus, make decisions, or follow a conversation. It's about your mind feeling foggy and cluttered. Understanding these symptoms is essential. They are not a sign of weakness or a character flaw. They are part of the human experience when dealing with mental health issues. These symptoms are not something to be ignored. They are a signal that we may need to seek help. Recognizing that you or a loved one may need help is a brave and crucial step. It's important to understand that persistent signs and symptoms call for professional attention. There's absolutely no shame in this. On the contrary, it's a mark of strength to seek assistance from those trained to provide it. Mental health professionals have dedicated their lives to supporting people like you. You're not alone in this journey. Remember, help is available, and it is okay to reach out. Mental health matters, and so do you. We've walked through the signs and symptoms, the importance of understanding mental health issues, and the necessity of seeking professional help when needed. Remember, recognizing these signs and symptoms is not for self-diagnosis, but to encourage dialogue and understanding. If you or someone you know is struggling, message HealSpace Psychological Clinic for more info. Mental health is a journey, and it's a journey you don't have to walk alone. Remember, you're not alone in this journey.